Greetings everyone, and welcome to this video on bias which can occur while performing the study. The first type of bias is known as recall bias, in which awareness of the disorder alters recall by subjects. It is quite common in retrospective studies, and patients with disease recall exposure after learning of similar cases. The second type of bias is known as measurement bias, in which information is gathered in a systematically distorted manner. For example, one may use a faulty automatic sphygmomanometer, and this can result in falsified information. The Hawthorne effect is when participants change their behavior upon the awareness of being observed. The third type of bias which can occur while performing the study is known as procedure bias, in which subjects in different groups are not treated the same. For example, patients in a treatment group spend more time in highly specialized hospital units than the control group. The observer-expectancy bias, or the Pygmalion effect, occurs when the researcher's belief in the efficacy of a treatment changes the outcome of that treatment. For example, an observer expecting a treatment group to show signs of recovery is more likely to document positive outcomes. Now, how do we mitigate recall bias? We can do that by decreasing the time from exposure to follow-up. We can also use medical records as sources to check information. How to mitigate measurement bias? We can do that by using objective, standardized, and previously tested methods of data collection that are planned ahead of time. And we can use a placebo group. And lastly, how do we mitigate procedure bias? We can do that by blinding or masking the participants, and we can also use a placebo group, which can reduce the influence of participants and researchers on procedures and their interpretation of outcomes, as neither group are aware of group assignments. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.